What's up, high-level app developers? Today I'm going to show you how you can use the installer details API in order to get information about people whenever they install your marketplace app. Let me show you how it works. So when you go to marketplace.gohighlevel.com, you can access your developer portal and the documentation. So the first place you want to log into is at the top. You can click sign in and you can log into your app dashboard. Now this is where you can actually create your app and implement this API and do everything you need to do on the back end. Now the actual API that we're going to be utilizing is the get installer details API, which you can find from Developer Marketplace under App Management. You can see Get Installer Details. This is towards the bottom of the documentation. Again, if you don't know where this is, it's marketplace.gohighlevel.com/docs. Now, here we can get the Get Installer Details API, and all this is going to do is it's going to get information about our authenticated user. So it returns information like the location, the user, the location ID, the company name, relationship number, company email, etc. So whenever someone actually installs your app, you will get this information back. So that way you can use it inside of your own internal systems to make sure that people are actually using the app, manage users, and so on. So this is the set of JSON that we're getting back from this. You can set different security schemas between location access and agency access. You'll probably use the agency access one. You have all of your authorization and headers on this side. The only required parameters are things like the version scheme, the token, and then the app ID. Now you can get your app ID from your app marketplace. Just click whatever app you are utilizing, and then inside of your app, you'll find the app ID inside of your URL nav bar. So you can find that ID, copy it, and then use it inside of our actual app ID path here in order to utilize this API endpoint. If you have any questions about this API endpoint, feel free to check out the help doc or drop a comment on this video. This is really going to be most useful for developers. So if you're utilizing this and trying to build an app for high level, then this can be super useful. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.